In celebrity's birthday, today is the birthday of Vanessa Anne Hudgens, professionally known as Vanessa Hudgens. She is an American actress and singer who was born on 14th of December in 1988. She made her film debut in 13, which was released in 2003. Other movies in which she acted in are Thunderbirds, released in 2004, High School Musical 3, released in 2008, Bandslam, released in 2009, The Ultimate Idol, released in 2009, Beast 3, released in 2011, Sucker Punch, released in 2011, Journey to the Mysterious Island, released in 2012, Spring Breaks, released in 2012, Choose You, released in 2013, The Frozen Ground, released in 2014, Machete Kills, released in 2014, Game Shelter, released in 2014, Freaks of Nature, released in 2015, Dog Days, released in 2015, The Princess Switch, released in 2018, Second Act, released in 2018, Polar, released in 2019, The Night Before Christmas, released in 2019, Bad Boys for Life, released in 2020, and many other movies. Wishing happy birthday to Vanessa Hudgens. Thank you for watching.